How to add another Gmail account. If you are already logged into a Gmail account, you can add another one. If you wish to sign in multiple accounts and receive all emails on your phone, do the following. Go to the Gmail app. Here, tap on the menu icon from the top left. Go to the bottom of the menu and tap Settings. Tap now Add Account. You can set up multiple email addresses on the Gmail app. You can set up Yahoo email, Outlook, or any custom email. I am going to show you how to add a Gmail email to your app. It might ask you your password or fingerprint. Complete the requirements. Write your Gmail account and tap Next. Write your password and tap Next. If you wish to add a phone number, you can do this or just tap Skip. Tap I agree. You are signed in another account on Gmail for Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.